In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the audit log in QuickBooks Online to track all activity. The audit log is your built-in trail of who did what and when inside your company file. It's incredibly helpful for troubleshooting changes, maintaining internal controls, and meeting compliance requirements. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to open the audit log, filter it to find what you need, drill into the details, and export it for reporting. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and logging into your company account. Once you're in, look to the top right and click the gear icon. Under the Tools section, select Audit Log. This opens a dedicated window that lists activity across your company file. Think of it as a timeline of changes. Every entry represents something added, modified, or deleted. At the top, use the filter controls to narrow the results. You can filter by user to see the activity of a specific person, which is great for reviewing responsibilities or validating approvals. You can also filter by date, selecting a precise time range to focus on a day, a month, or a custom period. Finally, use events to filter by transaction type, such as invoice, expense, or bill. Combining these filters helps you zero in on exactly what you need, especially if you're investigating a specific change or reconciling a discrepancy. As you review the list, each entry shows 4 key pieces of information. You'll see the date and time of the change, the user who made it, the event indicating what kind of action or transaction was involved, and the affected field showing which record or account was modified. This snapshot is often enough to confirm what happened at a glance. When you need deeper detail, click View on any entry. This opens a side-by-side comparison that clearly shows what was added, what was modified, or what was deleted. It's especially useful for understanding edits to invoices, expenses, or bills, and for verifying the history of sensitive transactions. If you're tracing a mistake, this is where you'll pinpoint exactly when it occurred and how it changed. If you need a copy for reporting or record keeping, use the Export button to download the audit log. Applying filters before exporting keeps your file focused and easier to analyze. Exports are useful for audits, team reviews, and month-end documentation. When you're finished, simply close the audit log and continue working in QuickBooks. Keep in mind that access to audit details can depend on your user permissions, so you may see more or less information based on your role. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.